Hi friends, in this YouTube video I am going to explain different kinds of prints in Python. Now let us say we'll enter into version Python 2 point something. Okay, now here how the print works. If we want to do some printing of, let us say hello, then it works. Even in this way it works, and also like this. Even this works fine. Now let us say we will give a value for a equal to 5 and we'll do print of a. 5 will be printed, the value in a will be printed. Okay, if we do print a, even this works fine. Now let us say if we do this, then a will be printed, not the value. It will take a as a character or a string. This is same as this. Okay, now I am entering into Python 3. Now here the print is different. uh, this won't work here. This won't work, it will tell a syntax error. This works fine. Here print is a function. Even this works fine, but this won't work again. Okay, now let us say I want to print with some kind of separations, like let us say hello and world, and I want to separate hello and world with some stars. Sorry, not this. Separate SCP, there is a keyword EP equal to, yeah, hello and world are separated with stars. Okay, now let us say I want to end like hello and world. I want to end with some enters. Okay, now you can see this point has come here, like there is three enters here. I mean two enters, I mean three enters from hello world 1, another one is 2. Okay, and now another one is 3. Yeah, now I want to enter some text into a file, like I want to keep this hello world into a file. Then how to do? Print hello world into a file. Open of let us say some example dot txt, comma, let us open in an append mode. Now I want to exit from here. I want to show you that file, and let us say ls. There is example.txt, previously it wasn't there, and now see, you can see the hello world there. Okay, now I want to just remove this example. Now you can see this, nothing is there. Again I want to enter into the Python 3 shell and just do the same thing. Now I want to keep something like this, or let us say some stars or something like that. and then I want to exit because I just want to show that previously that file wasn't there. Okay, now I want to do ls. Now you can see this example. Okay, that you can see that what we have entered is here. The same thing with end or separations won't work in Python 2. Now let us go into the Python 2 shell, and if I want to do the same thing, like let us say I want to do the same thing here, it will tell that there is an error because in Python 2 these separations and these files won't work. Okay, thanks for watching the video and stay tuned for more videos on Python.